Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing one last quick video on my GT350 Mustang before we sell it. We're just going to go through the whole programming of a garage door opener. Figured I'd make a quick video because I actually have to reset this since I'm selling it. But I'll go through the whole process here quick. This is a Chamberlin garage door opener that I have that has the Learn button. So it should be similar for any of the garage door openers with the Learn button. So stick with us. Alright guys, so you will need your original remote. We're going to need that, and then we're going to reset this here quick. So there's 3 buttons up here on the visor for most S550 Mustangs. That's where it'll be. Should be there for the newer stuff as well. So this procedure works for many different years of Mustang. So we're going to hold these 2 buttons right here. You can see that solid orange button. We're going to hold it until it flashes rapidly. So we'll let off after that, and now we're going to program this to this button right here. So we're going to hold that one, and now we're going to hold our button down for the garage door opener until that flashes rapidly. See how it's flashing rapidly again? Then we can let off. So now next we have to go in the garage and hit our Learn button. So we're going to go do that quick. Alright, so on my Chamberlin garage door opener, there's a purple button right there. We're going to hit that. You see how it lit up, that little LED? So then we have to go back to the car. And then we're hitting that one. Boom. 2 times, and it's good to go. Okay, and we can open it back up if we want. Just like that, guys. So easy process. Just have to make sure you do those steps in order, and you should be good to go with programming your garage door opener on your Mustang. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.